Hi, welcome into the channel. Today I'm going to check out People vs. Nature fails crazy weather caught on camera. I'm really not sure what this is going to entail, but I really haven't seen a lot of consistency in the algorithm. I know I just started pretty small, so I'm just kind of trying to get a feel for things, and my volume keeps getting messed up somehow or another. I'm going to try to keep these intros pretty short. Try to get mostly about the videos, so let's just jump into it.
This is Fox 5 and I'd like to report a light, sunny day today with light showers, maybe.
Oh, get out!
What? How did that happen?
Oh, she's gone.
Is that a rock? I'm so confused. What?
Oh my god!
Is the wall falling?
Oh my god!
The way I'm holding the camera makes it difficult too. Got a lot of that. That's bad.
Oh my god.
Oh, you're not looking back? Oh, cousin, bye-bye.
Face plant.
Yeah, on camera. Yeah, one more time. On the hole.
I have to raise something like that when I'm at the ocean, man. What is that? Oh, you're putting water out of the floor of your car. That's terrible.
Holy crap.
Yeah.
Oh,
Jeez.
just busted my window.
You had it on video. We saw it. Heard it.
Holy crap.
Yeah. Holy crap.
Oh my god.
Is that a fishing pole?
Oh my word! Did you see that? Did you just see that?
You guys gonna miss himself laughing. Is that a forest fire? It must be.
Heavenly Father, please help us. Please help us to be safe.
It is a little crazy. I don't think you can drive through this. Oh. That's cold. It's gotta be very cold.
Broke that window.
Oh man. I'm just surprised living up here in the Northeast. I haven't had the app and knock on wood.
Oh, she still got the camera.
Oh, it's gonna be so. Camera's no good now. Jeez, that's gonna hurt.
Oh my god. The hail is like baseballs here. It is ruining our house. We've got holes in the roof. Everywhere.
It's a flat roof.
They are the size of baseballs. Holy sh**.
Oh my god, baby, the bloody London bot just missed you. Holy bloody mother of God.
I have no idea what he just said. You can't see with how bad their faces are blurred. Oh, but is he holding the coffee when they get out? Must try to be muted for copyright. Jesus. Is that lightning or the transformer blowing? I didn't pay attention to the lights that houses around it. Oh, if it was doing that, I would not be walking out, so I had that boat? Is that a house in the water? Oh.
Oh, jeez. That's gone.
Must be a house at the ocean or something. Oh, you look so close. Yeah, through the window. Jesus. Wow. I've only heard of lightning doing that, never actually seen it on camera. Oh. The worst part about all these is you get no warning before it happens. I mean, I guess you might be able to see the ice coming, but like when the wind blows and takes the roof off, you don't see that coming.
And right down here is the penis of snow my wife found.
That's an odd thing to do, I guess.
What is that again, honey?
It's freeze like almost 90 degrees. Yeah. Take a look at hard. No promise with it. Just straight up destruction. Well, it wasn't really that destructive, just saying weather. Did you have a camera sounds? Fucking actor. Which way is it? It's more What the heck? Is that a landslide? It's gotta be the land moving. Only part of it. Where did that happen? How often does that happen?
Hang on.
That's freaking out, man.
Oh my god! Oh my god, mommy! Oh my god! Get Mike, look at your line!
What the heck? Is that a volcano? I think that's a volcano. I thought it was gonna explode. Mustang. God. Ooh. She died? He fell too. What the heck is with these? These have been some odd ones compared to ones I've seen in the past that are similar named videos. It's like they're in making order. More door. My apologies. gonna say smile. Whoa. Metal pole on top. What the heck? Is there like a broken water line, or is that outside water from a pond or something?
That is incredible.
It's pretty cool. I don't understand how that happened.
As I've seen on YouTube when they've been hit by lightning before, I've seen the trees do it on videos, but I've never seen one for real.
Cool breath, too. Oh!
Are you okay?
How did you know he was gonna fall? You had to slide stuff away with the camera. That's gonna hurt if your arms let go and you slam off the ground. You just got. I didn't realize that's where I hit him.
Oh, this is stupid. Oh, this is so f***ing stupid.
Wow.
I'm flooding the engine.
Oh.
Franklin, we gotta let it go, we gotta let it go, we gotta let it go, guys. Back up. Turn into it, turn into it, turn into it.
Ooh.
Oh, boy.
What the heck is going on? You got no good view. You can't tell what exactly is happening. That's gotta suck. I'm sure it provides some insulation, but still. I don't understand that out of here. Some people just have lack of common sense. Nope.
Holy sh! Oh my god!
Oh. Wow, the frequency of that. Where are they? Are they bungee jumping? That sounds stupid. And that kind of wind. Jeez. I was thinking it was going to be a bear. The more you run, the worse they get. I wonder what makes it look like it's got that brown color on top. It's just dirt.
That's weird.
Is that a ski mountain? Sure looks it.
Please smile. Yo, smile. Yo, yo, yo. No more marshmallows, man. Don't worry, we have 2 packs.
Head comes back and grabs the other one. Let's see, talking about camera with the video is really kind of blurry. I really don't have a lot of information on that one.
We tried to find the drain.
Start telling me the right name? Huh. Well, that was definitely different. Really was not expecting some of those, but nature's not really something that's forgiving or predictable, so like I said at the beginning, I'm just kind of trying to check out different things and just kind of keep this rolling, try to keep consistently posting 2 videos a day and hopefully grow and keep going from there. So if you guys enjoy watching, if you want to keep watching, if you want to subscribe, I do appreciate you being here watching this with me. If you got any suggestions on what I should watch, put it down below and I'll try to get to it. It might be a little while, but see what I can do. Till the next one.